1. Choose, checks, change, child, children, sheep, chicken, teacher, nature, kitchen, picture, fortune, achieve, which, merge, watch, reach, teach, march, reach, stretch, touch, march. Just, jump, chop, June, July, June, joke, Japan. Subject, urgent, enjoy, major, educate, logic. Large, age, page, language, huge, village, fried. 2. Let's grab some lunch at the new chicken place near the church. Don't forget to charge your phone before we leave. Give me a chance to explain what happened. I'll be in the kitchen if you need me. If we work hard, I'm sure we can achieve our goals. I have so much to do before the weekend. Could you please teach me how to play chess? Just give me a minute and I'll be ready to go. I'm going to the gym to jump rope and get some exercise. Do you want to join me for a quick coffee break? I'm planning a big trip for the 4th of July. She always cracks me up with her jokes. The subject of the email was urgent. Please read. Can you check the fridge and see if we have any orange juice left? I'm trying to learn Japanese before my trip to Japan in June. 3. Jack and his children were chatting about that day when they decided to watch a funny movie together. As they worked into the kitchen, Jack said, I'll teach you how to make the best buttery pumpkin. It's super easy. Just as Jack reached for the pumpkin, his phone started buzzing. It was their neighbor, Miss Johnson, who said, Jack, I hate to be a bother, but I'm in a real jam. I need to go to get to the church for an important meeting, but my car just won't start. I think the battery is dead. Jack told the children, we have to pause the movie. Let's jump in the car and have Miss Johnson first. The children nodded, and they all marched out to the car, ready to lend a helping hand.